Hello, welcome back. Thank you for coming back today. We're in downtown Ayia Napa. Grisivia booth is adjusting her rear end, as you can see. Well, let's introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the know, and her name is Miss Ochin, Grisivia booth.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Stick with us. Main entrance to the harbour over there. That's Giftland, or so it says on the sign. And we're going to go that away, because over that away is some big bright lights, and those big bright lights belong to the Luna Park. Grisivia? There we are. Grisivia has seen some gifts that people might want to take back home with them. So some retro classic motorbikes, some retro classic cars, and some retro classic money boxes in the bottom. Very, very nice indeed. So if you're looking for that special gift, from a suitcase to a little, what's a nice boat? See the window there. I've always liked this kind of thing, and I understand it's a bit difficult to take within your suitcase, but it is very, very nice indeed. Have a look at that. Perhaps it comes as a kit, disassembles, and you can take it with you, and the price is €330, which, to be honest, doesn't seem that bad. Anyway, let's get that away, because that away is where the Cyprus Ayia Napa Luna Park is, and that's where I'm going to take her, because she's promised to ride the bull, and she says that she can stay on the bull for more than 1.5 minutes. If she does, well, unfortunately, I'm going to be a very, very poor man, because I've agreed to give her a couple of bob. But if she does not stay on for 1.5 minutes, well, I'm going to be a very, very happy man indeed. And I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to get, but I'm going to be a very, very happy man indeed. Grisivia?
You little monkey. I'm going to stay on it.
Yeah, you think so? Well, for you, I hope, but for me, I hope not. Anyway, we're on the main drag going up the main boulevard in downtown Ayia Napa, harbour in the background, and up that way, well, that's where you get to party the night away. Restaurants, bars, and all that kind of stuff are up that away. Stick with us. And we're going to wiggle and waggle to the lefty over there. Come on, Grisivia, because if you look very carefully, you can see some bright lights sticking up in the sky, and you can see a wheel that's slowly rotating over there, a bit like the London Eye, and that's the Luna Park, and that's where we're going. So stick with us. I understand it's a bit dark, but it's going to get a bit lighter as we get up here. And we are, well, 7:30 in the evening. It's a Friday night, it's a bank holiday weekend. To be honest, it's relatively busy, late October. Temperature, 26, 27 degrees, somewhere around there. You heard me correctly, somewhere around there, 26, 27 degrees. So if you're looking for somewhere nice and pleasant to come for that last little bit of winter sun, well, Ayia Napa could be that perfect place for you. Great restaurants, great barks. Barks? I'm not a dog. She likes dogs. Great bars is what I meant to say. Supermarkets, gift shops, all that kind of stuff, absolutely everywhere. On top of that, a great harbour. On top of that, a great marina. And on top of that, a Luna Park. And that's where we're going. Stick with us. We should get there in around about 5 minutes. Wagamama's on the left. The Napa Anna supermarket over on the right. Slowly but surely, as we keep coming to Ayia Napa, we're going to learn our way around faster and faster. The idea of the channel is to try and help you, guide you around. So if you've not been here before, you can click on some of our videos, and slowly but surely you can find your way around, that's for sure. You've got the Napa Star Inn just over there. And as you can see, it's pretty busy, because like I say, I'll repeat it again, we are at the end of October. Most people are walking around in short sleeve t-shirts. I am. Even Grisivia booth is not wearing a lot, as you can see. The locals, well, they've got light jackets on, shall we say. But most tourists are walking around in t-shirts and shorts, because it's 26 to 27 degrees and it's night time. Shops, bars, restaurants, absolutely everywhere. That's a nice shop, Grisivia. Active shop it's called. So it's got a bit for men, and it's got a bit for littlies, and it's got a bit for the girls. And there's a nice bikini. Don't forget to come back tomorrow because we're going swimming. We're going swimming in the morning, and we're also going to go to Nessie Beach. So we're going to do a bit of monkeying around tomorrow in downtown Ayia Napa. And Chrissy LaBeouf, well, she's in a bikini. Oh yeah. But I'm in a pair of shorts, if anyone's interested. So I might even wiggle my rear end for Miss Angela, and of course my other super fan, Miss Sarah. Hopefully Miss Sarah and Mr. Ed has fully recovered and his wrist is fine and out of his cast. And I hope he's now chasing you around the bedroom in his boxer shorts. Didn't say that. Anyway, here we go. Glory Jean's Coffee over there, great coffee shop. Subway's up there, KFC's up there, but we're going that away. And that's McDonald's in the distance to give you a bearing. I'm giving you bearings that are international familiar brands, hopefully. So McDonald's, well, most people may not have eaten in McDonald's, but they understand what it is. So if you're looking for McDonald's in downtown Ayia Napa, just behind it is the Luna Park. Pacific?
I would like to say that these areas around look a bit different in here. Look different from what I've seen in Paphos. It's just different.
Yeah, there's a different vibe to Ayia Napa than there is to Paphos. Paphos is quite a relaxed atmosphere. Paphos, shall we say, caters for the slightly older clientele. I include myself in that. Ayia Napa, should we say, caters for the older and the younger. Now this was a hotel that we thought about staying in. That's their outside restaurant area, and it's called the Seasons, and it's next door to McDonald's. So very nice looking hotel indeed. Now we're going to come back to Ayia Napa once a month towards the end of every month for the rest of our lives, and we're going to come and stay probably in various apartments and different hotels. That one, the Seasons Hotel, has really taken our eye, along with the Limonaki Beach Resort Hotel. We liked that one as well. Now I'm not sure if we can get in this way, but we're going to try. It's going to get very dark down here, Gracievi. I think we need to go one more street. That's the Luna Park just over there. So that's McDonald's. We need to keep going. Come on. That is the rear entrance over there. So we're going to keep going and get to the main entrance, which is down at that street. So stick with us. Another couple of minutes and we'll be there. And we'll show you the main entrance. And then we're going to come back in another video. And Gracievi LaBeouf is going to mount the bull. That is for sure. That's the deal anyway. So let's get down this way. There's the sign, Gracievi, that's telling us where it is. Parcio Paliastio, whatever that means. There it is. There's the big sign. So we're going to go down that street and we're going to get to the Parcio Palacio. Saying it with a bit of a Welsh accent, if you understand me. Now, this is their side entrance, rear entrance, but we understood that this takes us straight to where the bull is. Do you remember?
Really?
Have you forgotten already?
Oh, dear.
Yes. Orientation is not very good. There we are. We're entering the Luna Park. There's a helter-skelter, or that's what I call it, in the distance there. So this is the side or rear entrance. On the next street down is a big car park, and it's the main entrance, and it tells you the opening times, and it tells you that it's free to enter and you pay per ride. Some parks, remember, charge you to enter and then charge you for various rides as well. This park doesn't charge you to enter, but it does charge you for every single thing that you use, which is not a bad idea. Receiving?
I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Marika, of the bull.
Of the bull. There we are.
Other bulls.
There you go, boys. She's feeling a little bit scared because she now is starting to understand that she's made maybe a bet she's going to lose.
I'll try not to.
No, she intends not to lose the bet, because if she does, well, I'm going to be a very lucky man, that's for sure. I won't say any more. That's the looping star, whatever that is. That's some kind of halting, skelting thing. So here we go. We're coming in the rear entrance, and we're going to get to the big bull, which is somewhere down that away. So stick with us. It's quite light in here, so we're going to get to have a good nosy on down, that's for sure. Let's have a look. This is where I lost some of my money last time, Gracievi LaBeouf. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. I lost a couple of my euros here, and I'll bet you that the thing is still here that you were trying to get.
I was trying to get the doggy. The doggy is not here. It was there.
Was it there?
No, the dog
Yeah.
is not there.
They've just rearranged it. I don't believe anyone got it, because very rarely does anybody win anything on those. The only person that wins is the man that owns it. I think I'm going to buy one of those, to be honest.
Oh, they are.
Oh, they're getting ready to go on. There we are. They're getting ready. So we might come on that a little bit later. So if you want to come and see us have the living daylight scared out of us, come back in another video, and that's where we're going to be. Right, proceed with the booth. The bull is over that away. So let's go and have a look at it, and let's have a chat with the man and see if he'll let us make a fool of ourselves. I'm pretty sure that he will. So this way, stick with us. Here we go. There's the prancing bull. It seems to be a bit sleepy at the moment.
Ride the bull.
So you insert €3, remove your footwear, only one rider at a time, mount the bull carefully and maintain the upright position, keep cord pulled out of the bull. Could be fun. And it's time on this video to give you the very, very good goodbye. And we'll come back in the next one with Miss Otching Vestibular Booth hanging on for a dear life, that's for sure. Chrissy?
I would like to tell you many thanks for watching. We love you to bits. And please don't forget to come and see another of our madness.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. In the next video, you're going to see a lot of rear end views, that's for sure.